Okay, my name is Raymond Bungaro. What's your name?
Jane.
Jane, thank you for allowing me to conduct this interview to you.
Maliit na bagay.
So, shall we start?
Excuse me, may I ask first?
Sure.
What is the purpose of this interview?
The purpose of this interview is we want to expand our knowledge with people beyond what we read on the internet and books and in our country.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, shall we start the question, ma'am?
Okay.
So my
Proceed.
first question is, what's your name?
I am Jane like Aquino.
Okay. How old are you?
20 years old, running 21.
Okay. Where were you born?
Diri lang, San Vicente, Baclan City.
Okay. Where do you currently live?
Before, nagpuyo mi diri sa Dreamland, Purok 12A Dreamland. Then, currently living in Purok 11A Marang.
Okay. Sounds good. So, what is your sexual orientation?
I am straight.
Straight. Since you're straight, what age did you realize your sexual orientation?
When age 10?
And
Ever since kay mo pod kay mo bro kung kuan magkaon gyud pod sa channel pero daghan pa nag-iingon pod dagi nga kanang buwisyon po daw ko kay lagi pod base pod dagi sa akong barog or kana akong pinormahan.
Wow.
Yeah.
So my next question is, are you single in relationship, marriage?
Soon to be married.
So, wow, sounds good. Okay, next
Single.
question. Thank you for that answer. What pronoun do you want other people to use to address you?
She.
She. She. Why she?
She kay magkaroon pa pod base no nga kana ko based pa pod base sa akong physical nga babae.
You are feminine, no?
Yes, like po sa yung ganina nga daghang po tao lagi para makaingon nga ana lagi boyish lagi ko pero yeah.
Next question. We go forward.
Proceed.
Have you experienced any kind of assault? So, since you are straight, you're a girl, feminine, as you can see, as I see, as I look. So, have you experienced any kind of assault with regard to your gender? Would you mind sharing it? Since you are straight, do you know any? Do you have any friends that they are assaulting based on their gender, sexuality?
So far sa ako wala man pud din ako ka-experience pero nakabantay pud ko napo ko babantayan no kana bitaw based sa ilang gender is kana mo gina-assault sila na because bitaw og harm sa ila kay naman gyud po ibang tao no kana dili katanggap kung unsa ka dili katanggap kung sa imong gender ana ba
That's
unang
true.
ako lang wingon is be yourself ra jud kiber sa ubang tao ana.
Since you have a friend that they are assaulting any people that don't want in part of the LGBT, so my next question is, what have you done, or what might your friend have done to conquer it, or have any solution to overcome it kind of assault?
Since kay halos friend magil po na ako no kay part siya sa LGBT pero I support LGBT ha.
Yes.
Then what have they done to conquer it kanang gina out of mind na lang nila ang mga kuan ba kanang mga paingon sa ibang tao nga about sa ila kung unsa sila naga-move forward na lang gyud sila kay dili man gyud baga tuyok sa lain tao ang ilang kalibutan
Yes,
dili
that's
dili mo stop ang ilang kalibutan sa ubang tao kung saan ang ginaingon sa ila so be yourself like good nga move forward ana.
So, sounds good. Very good answer, ma'am. Thank you that. So, my next question is, do you have any movement to help your fellow community if you are part of the LGBT my question is, I'm gonna make it twisted since you're straight. I'm gonna change my question is, if you are part of the LGBTQ, what any movement or what any kind of movement to help your fellow community?
Wala gid be. I think kanang unity, pagkakaisa, ana ra gyud.
Charot, good question, good answer.
Help help your community kana bitaw para mas mutatag pa ba. Kanang dili siya kanang basta-basta bitaw nga ginadaog-daog lang siya ang community.
Yes.
Kanang
Sounds
proud ka kung as unsa ka ana. So kadto.
sounds good. So my next question is, if you are since you answered you're okay to become a part of the LGBT, my next question is, if you become, or if you would become a LGBT, is your family supported you in that choice?
I think yes kay sa ako man is napugod ka ng mga igsuon po ba nga mga igagaw din po nga kanang part sila sa LGBT.
Yes.
So kuan siya wholeheartedly gyud siya nga i-accept siya sa akong parents. So kana
Supportive parents.
Yes.
Sounds good. My last question is my last question is, this is optional, ma'am. This is for you to answer it or not. So my last question is, if what can you say to other people who might have experienced the same thing? Any words of encouragement for them to accept, or for them to encourage to survive in their daily lives?
isa ra gyud ako maingon. Be yourself ra gyud kung unsa ka, dapat proud ka, loud and proud gyud ka kung unsa ka. Then ayaw gyud pamati sa kanang uban tao nga maingon sa imuha. Kay tungod labi na walay ambag sa imo, as long as wala kang gitapakan nga tao, wala kang ginaog-daog nga tao, move forward gyud and be who you are na gyud.
Char, very interesting and encourageable kind of message. So this will be the end of our interview. Thank you for your unwillingness support for this our project school in ECI. Thank you. Once again, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.